Hello there, this is Jack from Angel Home Solution. Today, Monday Ask Question. I want to talk about general probate process. Today topic provided by Angel Home Solution. And if you have any question regarding probate, if you are running through this process and was wondering, what is going on with probate, what should I know? General guideline, I hope you enjoy this slide and information, and please feel free to pass on to whoever you know and might benefit from this content. And as always, a quick disclaimer, Angel Home Solution is not an asset planner. We are not financial advisor. We are not probate attorney. Angel Home Solution is a real estate cash buyer. We work with probate attorney, we work with escrow and title, and obviously we work with you to buy your inherited property. The information follow is provided for your information only and reference only. Angel Home Solution is not responsible or liable for any use of this reference. Please consult with your own attorney for your specific situation. There is a post-credit slide, that the information was given from. So there will be contact at the end of the slide if you want to consult with the Hermes law firm. Right, they are great. They know what they do and been in the business for forever. And we got referral from our title company as well, so they are trustworthy. So if you're looking for resources, please check out. And who is this for? It's really general, and I believe you all already know. This is for someone who need to transfer property from deceased relative, right? Whether your loved one, your parents pass away, your brother, whoever it is that have passed away, may they rest in peace. But then now we have to deal with the reality and taking care of the property. So the process start from, it can be summarized into a 6-step process. First of all, open a probate, which the attorney will go to the court, to get the case started and to get the probate open. And then the attorney will serve all the heir that is listed in the will with the probate paperwork. And then they will start notify to all the creditor with, publishing in the newspaper and what, other mean, but to make sure it all publicly published. All the creditor has 4 months to make any claims against the estate. So this is a waiting period, that you have to hold. And obviously, we can, if you need to sell the estate for some reason, it can be done during this process. And then, if the property got sold before the 4 months, it will go into the estate account and it become one of the inventory in the step 4 right here. So the lawyer will prepare all the inventory of the estate, including bank accounts, any kind of checking, saving, any of the property that the deceased has, and then personal property as well, including vehicle and any kind of personal property, any kind of retirement account as well. So this is, not all of these will be filed to the public information. It's really put in the file so that somebody can ask, about their estate. And then finally, the after the 4 month wait period from the initial filing, the final accounting of the estate will be calculated, will be account. And then the transfer of property will happen and the attorney will move to closing of the estate. So like I said before, before this, before or after this, like for example, you can work with us or any other, buyer, even before step 1. We work all the time with seller that has inherited a property and they have to go through the probate. We come to agreement to purchase their property. As soon as, we got green light from the lawyer, we will close the property as soon as possible. So if you need to sell any of the inherited house, you may do so, before doing the process by, three mean, right? First of all, that probably the best choice. Rehab the property, if you can, of course, if you have the money and resource and time and the knowledge. We have some resources on our blog to how to successfully rehab your projects. What are the key to successfully rehab your property? And list list the property with an agent that you trust. If you need any referral, please let me know. I'll happy to refer you to one of the agents that we work with all the time. And then, the second option is rehab the property and put a good tenant family and manage the rental. You will pick up some great cash flow from the asset there. And then third option, if you have to sell to a cash buyer like Angel Home Solution, reach out to us or any other investor, at your discretion, whoever you feel like, you can trust. And, someone like us will buy the property assets and, we will pay off all the outstanding debt, to stop any interest so that you can put more money in your pocket rather than paying the bank. Other thing that should be noted too, we buy property in any condition and you don't have to do anything. You don't have to move any stuff that left behind. If, oftentimes it is very emotional to go through the property and see all the memory and recall all the good time and stuff. And, it is sometimes hard to handle. If that is the case, you can leave anything in the house and we will take care of everything. Usually we will try to recycle or donate the belonging so it can be repurposed. And whatever left behind, we will just, dump them all, remove them from the property. So it's gonna be our responsibility. So anyway, I hope this information is useful. Like I said, we work with your attorney. We work with title company to coordinate all of this so that it make the process as smooth as possible. Usually if there is nothing, odd about the property, if everything goes smooth, we can expect to close very fast. And I think the whole probate process itself will go from 3 to 6 months. It depends on, how many heirs, how complex is the case, how many people claim being on the estate. A lot of cases, so consult with your own attorney, probate attorney. The costs run from, 2,000 to 10,000 for the whole process, just for the attorney fee to manage all of this for you. So a big thank you to Brooke from Hermie Law Firm, PSC. They are located in Everett. Really great, resources for probate. If you need to reach out to Brooke or her, her company, Ross Hermie is the lawyer for that firm, and he is super. So reach out to them at 425-339-0990 or email them at info@hermielawfirm.com. Check them out at www.hermielawfirm.com. Any question, anything that we can help with your real estate issue, please reach out to us and I'll be happy to help you out. You can reach us at angelhomesolution.com. Thank you.